Hello, good people. So I'm coming to you because I do realize that I did promise you today to be speaking about the pricing of the book and also to be showing you a copy of The Budding Tree. Unfortunately, I did lose that footage and I'm in the process of reshooting it. So in the meantime, I will be sharing with you about beta readers. Okay, let's do this. Few years ago, a friend of mine gave me his book to read as one of the first people to ever read that book. I did not know I was beta reading. So let's talk about beta readers. So a beta reader is somebody who reads your work once you're ready to publish with an objective aim of criticizing and improving your work. Basically, a beta reader is somebody you choose from an audience that is likely to read your book. So you're basically trying to know what the audience would feel like. A beta reader will go through your work. They help an author to decide if the book is ready for publishing. If you have so many questions that make your book seem like it's not complete or make you uncomfortable or unsure about your publishing, then you know that you're not ready for publishing. Majority authors look for beta readers so that they can answer these questions for them and so that they may prepare them for what to expect when they eventually publish their book. Are beta readers important? Yes. I personally used beta readers because I wanted to know, is my story flowing? Are there so many errors? Sometimes there are errors that an editor can miss. A beta reader as an audience or as a reader of books is somebody who can be able to point out these errors. Who are beta readers? A beta reader can be anyone, but you must be keen to find somebody who loves to read the genre in which you've written the book and somebody who generally loves to read, because you usually have a timeline. By the time you're looking for a beta reader, you're beginning to see your book being published. In most cases, I've already come up with a date in which you'll have a release of the book. So you usually have a timeline. You can tell a beta reader that I need you to give me feedback within 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So once you're doing this, you need somebody who loves to read, because those are the only people who will be able to read your book and give you feedback. The other thing you need, which some other authors usually omit depending with their relation with their beta reader, are questionnaires. You need to guide your beta reader on what you're looking for. You can ask questions such as, is there a flaw in my story? Is there something you feel is missing from any chapter? Is there continuation from one chapter to the next? Are there sentence construction and spelling errors that you noted? How do you feel about the book? Do you have any questions at the end of the book? Did you lose interest, even a little, when reading the book? Which character impressed you? What was your favorite part of the book? Was there a climax in the book? And what is your favorite part of the book? The reason you're asking these questions is because you want to have a feel of what your audience will feel like when reading your book. The only way you will have these answers truthfully and authentically is by giving other people your book for them to read and give you genuine feedback within a specific timeline. How many beta readers should you have? Depends. Some people have even 15 to 20 beta readers, others have as few as 5 beta readers. If you can identify a group of people that are committed and that are willing to go the extra mile, and most importantly, the people that love to read and who have an interest in books, then these are the people that you choose for your beta readers. For me, when I was choosing the beta readers, I did choose people I know, people I went to university with, people I have related with, colleagues that I chose as my beta readers. However, I'm also in groups on Facebook and on Telegram where beta readers talk about different things and where authors go to fish for beta readers. So you can also find such groups and find beta readers who can give you authentic and honest opinion. The best people to work with, finding a beta readers is actually a stranger, because strangers are likely to be very blunt about what it is. The people you should avoid while finding beta readers are definitely your family, especially your parents, your spouse, your siblings, your best friend. Those are the people to avoid, because these are people who will always want to comfort you. You know, they will tell you, you know, your book is nice, even when it's not. They will tell you, there's no problem with your book, even when there's a problem. So the best people to work with are strangers. The worst people to work with are your closest of family and friends. So I hope you've learned something today about beta readers, and I hope that you'll be able to find them and work with them to be able to publish your book. Until next time, goodbye.